Hello friends, today our topic is income and expenditure account. Okay, let's see what is income and expenditure account. Where it is made, income and expenditure account is made by non-trading institutions or not for profit concern. Let's see. In non-trading institutions, we can prepare income and expenditure account instead of profit and loss account. This account is equivalent to the profit and loss account of business enterprise. Okay, non-trading institutions we prepare income and expenditure account which is same as profit and loss account which is prepared by trading institutions or business enterprise. Okay, as it is not a profit making organization, so the balance is known as surplus over expenditures, known as surplus or profit, and balance of expenditures over income known as deficit or loss. Okay, it is uh, it is made by non-trading institution income and expenditure account. Here, if profit if income is more than our expenditure, it is our surplus or profit, and if our expenditure is more than income, it is known as deficit. Next, in this account, both cash and non-cash items are considered. Both cash and non-cash. Okay, means outstanding and prepaid expenditures and incomes are considered here, like debenture. Like like depreciation, etc. Okay, this account is prepared on accrual basis. All revenue expenses and incomes are included, which are regard to current year. Okay, it is saying, all revenue expenses, only all revenue expenses and incomes are included which are regard to current year. All capital expenses and incomes are excluded. Means here all revenue expenses and incomes are included related to only current year, not of previous year or next year, and all capital expenses and incomes are excluded. Next, it is nominal account. On debit side, expenditures are entered same as profit and loss account, and on credit side, incomes are entered. Okay, we had seen what is income and expenditure account and what is recorded here. All revenue, incomes, and expenses are recorded here related to current year only. Okay, let's see the format. When we are preparing income and expenditure account, we will write in whom books we are preparing. Whom books? In the books of dash whatever. For what we are preparing income and expenditure account for the year ending on 31st March. Okay. Let's see what it expenditure consumable material, honorarium, salary, wages, repair expenses paid on specific show. Then any show means any cultural events, then entertainment expenses, printing stationery, newspaper, periodicals, postage, upkeep of loans, rent, municipal taxes, insurance, loss on sale of fixed asset, depreciation, audit fees, miscellaneous expenses, and excess of income over expenditure is our surplus. This is our expenditure side. Now let's see income side. Income side, by subscriptions, grants received, subscription related to this year only, current year only, grant received for general purpose. For general purpose, if it is for general purpose, we will write it here in income and expenditure account. If it is for specific purpose, we will write it balance sheet. In transfer to the extent of not capitalized. Okay, then by general donations, interest on deposit. Okay, by general donations, interest on deposits, by dividends, collection for specific show, any cultural events, by profit on sale of fixed assets, locker rent, clock room rent received, hall rent received, receipts from sale of newspaper and magazines, miscellaneous income, and last, by deficit. By deficit means excess of expenditures over income. This is our income and expenditure format. which is completed here by balancing surplus or deficit. Okay. What note? Either of two balancing figures shall appear in the income and expenditure account. Yes, either of two. Yeah, we should receive any of this balancing figure, whether it is surplus or deficit. Definitely, we will have this by balancing the income and expenditure account. Okay, thanks. This is our income and expenditure account completed here. Its format and what is income and expenditure account. Hope you like this. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.